Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the Clikon garment steamer. So let's get started. Let's first have a look around the box. From this angle, so let's open it up and see what we have here. So the first thing we have here is the product manual. A warranty card. This is the nozzle and hose. Let's open it and see. This is a brush. This is a hanger. You open it up like this. And you put this part here and this part here, like so. Then you take this and to lock it into place. Now it's locked into place. And this is a steamer. Let's take it out. This is the handle. We'll remove the water tank. It's a 1.4 liter water tank. So we got the steamer out. We have a look at it here. There is an off position, and take it to 1 and 2. And let's see, this is where you put the nozzle, the hose. Okay, so let's attach the hose. Let's see, attach the hose here. See it here. Then this will lock it into place. Now it's locked into place. So now we attach the hose like so, and let's remove this packaging from the tank. And how you fill this tank? You open it up from here, you fill it up with water. Have a capacity of 1.4 liters, and then you close that here. And after you close it, look here, you will set it here, and that's it. It's fixed into place, and this is where you put the supporting rod for the garments. Okay, and you will connect this hanger here. Okay. And these clips will adjust the length of the rod. This brush, you will attach it to this nozzle head. Okay, you see this piece, it will go here. That's it, it's attached now. This is basically what comes in the box. You have to be careful with this. There is no locking mechanism, but this is what comes in the box. So it's this rod head, this hanger, the nozzle, the garment steamer, and the tank, of course. And you can pull out the tank using this handle. You want to open this, and if you want to lock it into place, you connect this and you close this. Now it's here, now it's locked into place. It will not get detached. So that's all for this unboxing. Thank you and see you next time.